For me, this was the toughest thing I've done ever.
I had like a drowning incident 8 years ago. So I was like, I don't want to feel this helpless ever again.
Like you're like कि अब थोड़ा और बड़ा सोचते हैं और बड़ा सोचते हैं. Went from 1 kilometer in the pool to 22 in the ocean.
Like during the training swims, we had already been stung by jellyfish multiple times, and that just like scared us कि भाई अभी ही इतना है तो what's gonna happen in the main swim.
Like तगड़ा का one of the major foundations is कि तुम्हें पता नहीं कहाँ पे आ रहा है पर सांस फूल रही है. Like that is the cornerstone of तगड़ा workouts.
The entire last 6 to 7 months of the training period for our Sri Lanka to India swim, this was our strength training. Like we didn't do anything else. For us, nothing has really changed. We are back to the same pool, to the same dugout. So वैसे तो life is the same. It's just we've done one hard thing. So that makes us feel like confident to do more hard things.
And we also skipped a week of तगड़ा before the swim. और वो कंधे पे पता चला तो अब एकदम religiously करना है चाहे जितनी भी फटे.
I think before the swim was the harder part because like during the training swims we had already been stung by jellyfish multiple times, and that just like scared us कि भाई अभी ही इतना है तो what's gonna happen in the main swim. So yeah, I think you always expect the worst कि jellies भी रहेंगे, the weather is also going to be very bad, and you think about the worst. But luckily during the swim we had very less jellyfish stings. The weather was good, the tides were against us, but yeah, I think you expect the worst and then somehow it works out well because then the worst doesn't happen.
For me, this was the toughest thing I've done ever. तो और अब 2 महीने में वापस I'm going to do the toughest thing I've done ever. यही जिंदगी बन गई अब. So yeah, it's always once you realize that, bro, this is the toughest thing you've done. You are going to do that. Before that jump, you are just, you've not seen your best yet, and you have to find your best in the thing that you're doing. That is like the most willpower you will need, the most strength you will need, the most endurance you will need. So you're just that nervousness sort of gets you sometimes कि भाई I don't know इसके आगे मेरे में क्षमता है और कि नहीं, and then you find out कि oh है, like it's nice. That's a good feeling.
So I think we started with just needing to learn to swim because I had like a drowning incident 8 years ago. So I was like, I don't want to feel this helpless ever again. तो चालू तो बस ऐसे ही हुआ था. And the way we started was finally like 2022 में I used to go to a swimming class 1 hour before work every day on the weekdays. So like 5 days a week swimming classes हो जाते थे. And then within 6 months we were able to swim 1 kilometer non-stop in the pool. And तब लगा कि भाई क्या सुपर पावर आ गई है, मतलब 1 किलोमीटर तैरना कितनी बड़ी बात थी उस टाइम पे. एंड देन बोला कि अब क्या करें, इतनी बड़ी सुपर पावर का क्या करें. एंड या एंड देन वी साइंड अप फॉर एन ओलंपिक ट्रायथलॉन. वहाँ पे हमने जैसे ही ओलंपिक ट्रायथलॉन ख़त्म किया, वी सॉ दीज मच ओल्डर मेन एंड वुमेन, मतलब 40-50 साल के लोग, दे वर फिनिशिंग अ हाफ आयरनमैन. एंड बोला कि भाई हम तो अभी अपना जवान खून है तो ओलंपिक ट्रायथलॉन इज़ नथिंग. सो देन वहाँ पे भी डिसाइडेड कि चलो अब हाफ आयरनमैन करना है. हाफ आयरनमैन के बाद वी गॉट इनटू अ ग्रुप वेयर वी सॉ ऑल दीज गाइज हु आर डूइंग लाइक ऑल दिस इंग्लिश चैनल रिले, पार्क स्टेट रिले, एंड बोला कि भाई ये सब भी कर सकते हैं. So we were just lucky to be a part of like group where we had so many people to aspire to and like just aim for. So we just had to pick कि अच्छा इसने ये किया, चलो ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये कर लेते हैं.
For me, all of this is about just being active in nature. पता नहीं इतने level इतना escalate कैसे हो गया, मेरे को भी पता नहीं चला. But I think that's just the power of like, this is like compound interest for your body. Like you invest a little, you are like कि थोड़ा बढ़ा के देखते हैं. Maybe you'll get a 1% stronger. Then you get 2% stronger. Then that 2% over 2 years becomes like 1000% stronger. I know ganit weak hai meri, but that's what it does for your body. Like you're like कि अब थोड़ा और बड़ा सोचते हैं and yeah, as she said, went from 1 kilometer in the pool to 22 in the ocean. So it all escalates like that. The only strength training properly that I did was like a calisthenics background. So we were in a calisthenics gym before, and that was really fun, like doing flips and like parkour, pull-ups, training for muscle up, climbing, spider walks, na jaane kya kya. And that was fun, and it was holistic in the sense that any sport you wanna do, like you wanna go into powerlifting, you want to do parkour, just normal strength training, bodybuilding, तुमको proper calisthenics करना है, ninja warrior, you can go anywhere, but it concentrates all that strength into one particular muscle groups and all. जैसे बहुत भारी pull day कर लिया तो gone. Then swimming में we were not able to sort of push that hard in our sprint workouts. So then we were on the search for something where it's like a whole body thing. Like तगड़ा का one of the major foundations is कि तुम्हें पता नहीं कहाँ पे आ रहा है पर सांस फूल रही है. Like that is the cornerstone of तगड़ा workouts. कि the whole body is somehow working and you are getting stronger overall. But there's not this one muscle that you wake up with कि इधर गया पूरा आज, या leg day है कि bed से उठ नहीं पा रहे हैं, ऐसे उठना पड़ रहा है, whatever. So that helped in maintaining strength while not fatiguing us too much for our swim workouts. So that's what I like. And very, very specific movements that Tagda has, like the Parikrama ka ye, like these rotations that we do 20,000-30,000 times in an ultra marathon swim. ऐसा भी ये जो कर रही हैं एकदम demonstration के साथ है. Like this is a freestyle stroke that we do. This sort of movement जो परिक्रमा में हम elbow अंदर लाते हैं and then वापस बाहर ले जाते हैं. All that sort of mimics our swimming movements. So it strengthens them naturally. And full body cardio, muscle endurance is of course Tagda's highlight, which is again helping us in our endurance sports. It is also, I guess, runners and functional athletes sort of, I guess, come here and prefer Tagda.
Yeah, I think for me, we had, like he said, we had just come for a trial class. My first factor for deciding where to work out was also proximity to our swimming pool, very honestly, because our pool is like 5 minutes from here. And back then it was getting very hard to go to Kalyoji and then come back here when our workouts were increasing. So we were just exploring gyms nearby. And when we came for the first session over here, we realized the kind of movements that the rotational movements that we do over here for the shoulders, we don't do that otherwise in any traditional gym setup. It's very linear in nature. Maybe some kettlebell swings or something, but mostly not. So that sort of translates very well in our swims. And our coach Satish sir also, when we talked to him about कि अभी strength training के लिए we're thinking of shifting our gyms, and he was like कि हाँ भाई बहुत बढ़िया है, यहाँ पे भी एक मुद्गर ले आओ. So we also bought a Mudgar, a Samtola for the gym at our swimming pool. So like all the swimmers, competitive swimmers are also sort of including that as a part of their movement. So yeah, I mean, we explored because of the proximity to the pool, but then like our coach agreed, and we to definitely feel that it helps a lot. Like essentially the entire last 6 to 7 months of the training period for our Sri Lanka to India swim, this was our strength training. Like we didn't do anything else. I think like when you're swimming for like 11 hours, sometimes hours feel like minutes, sometimes a minute feels like hours. So initially जब रात को चालू किया तब we started at 4:30 in the night, and we were feeling something was hitting our legs from below, and तब तो we got very scared कि भाई क्या है जो नीचे से हमें अभी तो मार रहा है, कल अभी खा जाएगा, पता नहीं क्या होगा. So I think at 4:30, right when we started, it was very scary because we couldn't see what it was. Later on in videos, we saw that it was flying fish, and people on the boat were all marveling कि भाई flying fish उड़ रहे हैं तुम्हारे पीछे. But yeah, in that moment, it was very scary. And I think the chillest moment came just after at daybreak, or like 2-3 hours into the swim, when the water was very calm, like there was almost no ripples, and then you get into your zone and you start remembering where you started from. Like 4 साल पहले समुंदर में लाइफ जैकेट पहन के जाते थे, एकदम like जेट स्की करने के लिए भी लाइफ जैकेट पहन के जा रहे हैं, स्नॉर्कलिंग करने के लिए लाइफ जैकेट पहन के जा रहे हैं, एंड देन यू आर लाइक इन द मिडल ऑफ द सी, like no land in sight, and you're just swimming by yourself. So ऐसे in those, like when the water is calm and like सब अच्छा चल रहा है, तब you start to feel all these fond memories. जब पानी खराब हो जाता है तब you start thinking कि भाई क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं, मुंह में पानी जा रहा है, जेलीफिश काट रहा है, तो then like you keep swinging between these two thoughts and बस 11 घंटे निकल जाते हैं.
Also, ice and watermelon on a swollen tongue is.
Yeah.
That was the chillest moment. Literally ice on the tongue. Our tongue was swollen from all the seawater.
Yeah, I think 5-6 hours into the swim, we couldn't feel our tongues. So तब we were like कि बर्फ मिलेगा क्या? And luckily बर्फ थी. So then every 45 minutes we were just having one ice cube in the mouth.
You've had so long to have so many feelings. That like layers of a cake, you are just stacking up, and end में तुम पूरा cake ऐसे तिरामिसू की तरह खाते हो. You feel all the layers at once. And for me it was all layers. It was relief. Like yeah, finally done after fighting the tide for so long. It was also an intense craving for ice cream and the fish fry at that Valarmathi mess in Rameshwaram cafe.
It is a very beautiful, like एकदम छोटी सी
Small
कुटिया
shack.
है उनकी, and like fresh fish बस सामने से समुंदर से उठा के वहीं पे पका के खिला.
उधर जो फिश मील पेला है हमने after the swim, रोजगार हो गया उनका पूरे साल का. But yeah, it was mixture. Like your body is demanding something, your mind is feeling something, and तुम्हारा ऐसा soul ऐसा तृप्त है कि भाई खुद की लिमिट मैंने बढ़ा दी है. Like I've expanded my own potential, and I've done the toughest thing in my life, and I didn't break, although left shoulder is slightly gone. But yeah, no, that's what you find out about yourself. Find out about yourself the most at these extreme moments, when you push everything to the extreme and you find out what kind of person you are. So that's always a great feeling to find out.
Yeah, I think for me, positive reinforcement works in a way where I start doing more things. Like जैसे ही मेरा swim खत्म हुआ, I started planning कि अच्छा अभी इसके बाद ये करना है, इसके बाद ये करना है, अगले swim के लिए ये तैयारी करनी है. So and then the last entire week I have just been like on active mode. अब जाके थोड़ा सा rest करने का मन कर रहा है. But हाँ, I think for me it was just I was very excited कि भाई I did one hard thing, and then that sort of gave me the confidence कि चलो अभी English channel के लिए भी I think I am better prepared than I was before. So yeah, it gave me confidence, and otherwise I think I just wanted to eat a lot of ice cream because I couldn't feel my tongue at all. So जैसे ही हम होटल गए मैंने 4 आइसक्रीम खाए back to back, and then I felt good.